Dates can be extremely important to make sure your worksheet data is always up to date. Stay on top of deadlines and gain control of your time by taking advantage of the date function in Microsoft Excel. Excel is well equipped with a plethora of formulas to enhance your user experience. While many of them focus on mathematical calculations, some formulas aim to make other parts of your life easier. One of these functions is the date formula, focusing on handling time and dates. The date function in Excel creates a valid date from the individual year, month, and day components. It's mainly used for assembling dates that need to change dynamically depending on other values in a worksheet. This is the formula you have to use. And these are the required arguments. Year. The value can include 1 to 4 digits. Excel will always interpret this argument according to the date system used by your computer. By default, Excel for Windows uses the 1900 date system. This means that the first date is January 1st, 1900. Month. Required argument represents the month of the year from 1 to 12, January to December. Can be a positive or a negative integer. If the argument exceeds 12, Excel will add the number of months to the first month of the year. If the argument is less than or equal to 0, Excel subtracts the absolute value of month plus 1 from the first month of the year. Day. Required argument represents the day of a month from 1 to 31. Can be positive or a negative integer. If the argument is greater than the number of days in the specific month, Excel adds it to the first day of the month. If the argument is less than 1, Excel will subtract the value of the number of days plus 1 from the first day of the month. How to use the date function in Excel. Return date and time. If you want to return any date, time, and value, you can use different functions. Next are some of the examples for using these functions and what exactly they do. Select any output cell for the date. This cell can be completely independent of other cells in your workbook. We are using this date formula to return to a specific date. For example, this one. You just have to copy the formula and use it. As you can see, the formula returns a properly formatted date field with the specific date. You may reference this cell for any date and time related functions. Returns to days, date and time. To do it, we're going to go to Excel. We're going to choose any cell, for example, this one. This formula is really easy. You just have to put equal now in the parentheses and click enter. There you have. You can also change the format if you go to this part of the ribbon where it says custom now. And for example, choose time or short date. That's a way. Another way is equal today. It's the same result. You just have to choose the one you prefer, the one is easier to you. To perform calculations with these dates, you just have to add, for example, plus 10, and the formula will do the rest. And there you have. You just have to be careful, because if you save your work, the today's date will be changing every day. So be careful with that. Return to the first day of the current month. If you need to quickly insert the first day of the current month in the current year, Excel has a formula for it. Select any output cell for the date. This cell can be completely independent of other cells in your workbook. Use the formula I am using. I will leave all the formulas of this video in the description of this video. So just copy the formula and add it to your workbook, and that's it. Now you know how to use these formulas in Excel. As always, you can get this software from our website. You get instant digital download, money back guarantee, and also 24/7 lifetime customer support. So I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.